What is up, you guys? It's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm here today to show you how I did this half up, half down crochet curly hairstyle. It is so beautiful. Wait till you guys see it, and it's so easy. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and conditioned. I am using this Jessie Curl deep conditioning treatment, my new favorite deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner. You can use it for both if you have thick, dry hair, which I definitely do. So I'm just using that as a leave-in conditioner today. And I'm just going to work that all throughout my hair. I will have a video coming up all about this Jessie Curl deep conditioning treatment and a review plus a demo. That will be my next video if you're interested. So now I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to part my hair in half. I'm going to do a little bit less than half in the front, so the back section is going to be just a bit bigger than the front. So we'll have a smaller section to work with in the front. So I have parted my hair, as you can see, and now we're going to work on making a nice little bun at the top that's nice and sleek so it'll last for days. So I'm taking this Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. Everybody knows about this gel. This is my favorite one, and I'm just working that all throughout the top section. Then I'm going to take this Murray's Edge Wax, one of my favorite edge controls, and I'm going to put a very thick layer all around the front of my hair where my edges are, and I'm going to take my EDGI brush and I'm going to work that in. Now I'm going to take a normal hair tie and I'm going to put my hair into a high ponytail. Then I'm going to just twist the length of my hair down and wrap it into a nice little bun. And I'm just going to secure this top ponytail with a couple of hair ties just to make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Now I'm working on the back, so I have parted out a small section of hair and I'm taking my tangle teaser and I'm just making sure there's no tangles in the section. And now I'm just going to start at the top and cornrow my hair down as normal. So as you can see, I have 6 cornrows that are very imperfect going down the back, and my parts aren't straight. They're not perfect, but this is a style that anyone can do. You don't have to be a braider or a professional hairstylist because I am neither. So I am just going to show you how I'm going to sew these up. As you can see, I twisted 2 together and I fitted in between 2 of the cornrows, and that's how I'm going to sew them up. So the cornrows are sewed up, and I also have started on the crocheting process. I have videos about how I sew the cornrows up, and I'll have those linked up above, so click the eye and in the description box below. So I am using this main concept Afri Naptural Faux Remy fiber braids, crochet braids, bundle braids, and these are in the style Super Deep Twist. They're 22 inches long and I have the color 1B. Take a look at this gorgeous hair. The curl pattern is everything, is so long, and it actually looks quite natural once it's in your head, if believe it or not. So now I'm taking a normal crochet tool, a $1.50 crochet tool that you can find at your local beauty supply, and we're going to start the crocheting process. So as you can see, once I have the piece of hair crocheted into my head, I'm going to knot it one more time. I'm just taking the 2 strands and I'm just pulling them into one more knot. I'm doing that so they won't fall out and they're nice and secure. So as you can see, I looped the piece of hair around my fingers, and then I put the crochet tool underneath my braid with the latch open, close the latch, pull it through, and then I'm just going to double knot it one more time. As you can see, I'm basically covering up the cornrows. If you don't know anything about crochet, this is very, very easy. You put the hair onto the crochet tool, pull it up under your cornrow. You take the loop that's at the top, loop the hair through, and then you can go ahead and double knot it. And I'm just going to continue to do that over and over again. Some people are visual learners. Some people learn better by audio. So I'm just going to stop talking for my visual learners and let you guys see how I did it. But first, I'm going to show you how I did the top bun. So the top bun is very, very easy. All you're going to do is crochet the hair around the base of the bun. You're just going to stick it through anywhere that you can get it through on the bun, and you're just going to do the same exact process that you did in the back. Loop it through with a crochet tool and then double knot it. So as you can see, I have a nice like long ponytail, it looks like, at the top. I didn't go all the way to the top of the bun. I just did it around the base and maybe a little bit up. I used like a pack and a half on the top bun because I wanted it to be quite large. If you want it to be larger, you can crochet more hair onto the top bun. So then you're just going to wrap it around as you would if it was your real hair. And you're going to position it so it's covering the bun so you can't, your real hair bun, so you can't see it. And voila, magic. So now I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm just going to pin that in place, of course, so it won't move and it won't fall. So yeah. All right, guys, so we're almost done. I just have one more cornrow to do, as you can see on the side there. So I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys watch me finish up this last cornrow, and then I'll come back with the final look. So I am now completely done, and look how beautiful this looks. I think it looks quite natural. Let me know what you guys think. But I got the most compliments on this hairstyle that I think I've ever gotten on any hairstyle that I've done. I wore this hairstyle to Las Vegas to a beauty expo. All the black girls were like, "Oh my God, I love your hair." And when I told them that it was crochet, they were shook. They were like, "What? That's crochet?" And also just anybody, white people, black people, everybody was like, "I love," Korean people, they was like, "I love your hair." So this is a very nice hairstyle to do to stunt, to slay. So as I'm doing right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking any leftover hair from the pack. I had a few extra strands and I'm just filling around just to cover up any blank spots that might be in the back of my head. And this is the final look, guys, with my makeup done and everything. And this is actually day 3. I filmed this ending part on day 3, and look how good the hair still looks. All you have to do is tie down that top part of your hair with a scarf and then put the rest of the hair up into some type of bonnet, and this will last for days and days and days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one, hopefully. Bye bye.